Hello, lovely people, and welcome back to Accidental Adult. It is fantastic to see you here again, and today we are going to make Sbenikh or spinach stew. It's crazy easy, you'll see.
For prep, all you need to do is dice one large onion. Super easy. Moving over to the stovetop, add around 1 tablespoon of neutral flavored oil. I'm using sunflower, then add 1/3 cup of pine nuts. Maybe a bit more. Over medium heat, fry the pine nuts until they turn golden brown.
I always burn the pine nuts. Always. The only advice I can give you so that you don't burn them is just keep stirring.
Once they're nice and toasty, transfer them to a bowl and set them aside. In the same pot, drop in the onions and fry them in the residual pine nut oil. If you feel like there isn't enough oil, you can add more and keep frying the onions until they turn translucent. Add 500 grams or 1 pound of minced meat to the onions, break it up and brown it. You can use minced beef or minced lamb or a mix of both. It all depends on your preference.
One thing I always have is minced meat portioned out in the freezer. Because I buy meat from the butcher and not from the supermarket, it's always easier to have a few grams on hand rather than to make 2 trips per week.
Once it's brown, crush 1 garlic clove and add half a teaspoon of allspice and 7 spices each and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon and ground coriander each, then mix to combine. Forgot to add half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes.
I'm not adding a lot of red pepper flakes because I don't want it spicy. I just want a little bit of tingle in the background, like, hey, I'm here, but I'm not offensive. That level of spiciness. But if you wanted more spicy, feel free to add more. You forgot the salt.
When all the flavors have appropriately mingled together, taste and adjust for seasoning.
Wow! Okay, the tingle. That's what I want. It's a bit spicy. It's fine.
Don't worry if the spices seem intense. They will mellow out after adding the spinach. Next, add in 1 kilogram or 2 pounds of frozen spinach. You don't need to let them thaw beforehand, you can just dump them in as they are. I prefer frozen spinach because they are much more convenient and easier to handle than fresh spinach. Give them a little mixy mix and cover, stirring them occasionally until they defrost completely. If you feel like the spinach is too dry, you can add a bit of water until you reach your desired consistency. Then cover and let them simmer for 40 minutes, stirring occasionally. In the meantime, we're going to prepare our Lebanese rice. I have a detailed video explaining how to make it, so if you're interested in that, I will leave a link in the description below.
It smells like Popeye's house.
When the spinach is cooked and ready, take it off the heat. For the final touches, we're going to add a flavor booster, which is a mix of garlic and cilantro fried in oil or butter. I have a detailed video on how to make these, and I will leave a link in the description below.
I love this cube. It's so convenient and it makes cooking so much easier. Imagine if I had a third pan right now frying garlic and cilantro. It's just so much effort. With this cube, you get the flavor without the effort, and that is what I'm all about.
Next, add half the fried pine nuts, reserving the rest for garnish.
Maybe a little bit more for garnish. More garnish. More garnish, okay. خلاص garnish.
By now, the rice should be ready. Optionally, you can add a tablespoon of butter for more richness. And add the juice of half a lemon for more brightness. Finally, taste and adjust to your liking.
Yes! And there's the heat in the background, but it's not spicy. This is how I like it. Excellent. Okay. هاي هي خلصت. شفتوا شو هينة؟
To serve, start with a layer of rice, then a layer of spinach, top it off with some pine nuts, and serve with lemon wedges on the side for those who wish to add more. And enjoy!
Holy shit, this is good.
And that is all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button if you did. Subscribe if you aren't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Just keep stirring, just keep stirring, just keep stirring, stirring, stirring. Ha 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 ha, I like to stir. مين بيسكب بالشوكة؟ ما بدي اجليها، ما بدي اجليها. ما بدي اجلي.